Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a roadmap layout using custom shapes in Photoshop. First, I open Photoshop and set a long canvas. Then I draw connected rectangle shapes for roadmap phases. Now I add circular markers between phases. After that, I label each phase clearly. Next, I color code phases for clarity. Now I add arrows using custom shapes. Then I keep spacing even across the roadmap. After that, I add subtle shadows. Now the roadmap feels structured. Then I zoom out to check flow. After that, I adjust alignment. Now the journey is easy to follow. Finally, I refine typography balance. This roadmap now tells a clear plan.